Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Gaspereaux is a small rural community in Kings County, Prince Edward Island, located along the island's southeastern shoreline between Murray River and Souris. The community overlooks the Northumberland Strait and is surrounded by forests, farmland, rolling hills, and rugged coastline. Although only a small number of people live here year-round, Gaspereaux offers a quiet setting that reflects the traditional character of rural Prince Edward Island. The name Gaspereaux comes from the Gaspereaux fish, also known as the alewife, which once migrated in large numbers through rivers and streams across Atlantic Canada. Long before European settlement, the Mi'kmaq traveled through this region for fishing, hunting, and seasonal travel. European settlers later established farms and small fishing operations, taking advantage of the fertile land and access to coastal waters. For generations, farming has been one of the area's main industries. The surrounding countryside produces potatoes, grains, hay, and forage crops, while beef and dairy farms continue to operate throughout the region. Agriculture remains one of the largest employers on Prince Edward Island, and many local residents are directly or indirectly connected to the farming sector. The nearby coastline has also supported commercial fishing for many years. Residents have traditionally harvested lobster, oysters, mussels, and other seafood from the surrounding waters. While Gaspereaux itself is a small community, many people work from nearby fishing harbors or are employed in seafood processing, marine transportation, equipment repair, and related industries throughout eastern Prince Edward Island. The landscape around Gaspereaux is shaped by Prince Edward Island's distinctive red sandstone cliffs and sandy beaches. Coastal erosion continues to gradually reshape the shoreline, creating dramatic views and revealing new rock formations over time. The surrounding waters also support a variety of marine life, making the area popular with birdwatchers, anglers, and nature enthusiasts. Tourism has become increasingly important to communities across eastern Prince Edward Island. Visitors are drawn to the quiet beaches, scenic coastal roads, hiking opportunities, and fresh seafood found throughout the region. During the summer months, seasonal cottages and vacation homes bring additional activity while supporting local businesses and restaurants. Housing remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. The average home price in the surrounding area generally ranges from $300,000 to $400,000 Canadian dollars, although prices vary depending on property size, condition, acreage, and proximity to the waterfront. Waterfront homes and modern cottages often sell for significantly more than older inland properties. Today, Gaspereaux remains a place where farming fields meet the coastline and where island traditions continue to shape everyday life. Its scenic landscapes, maritime heritage, and quiet rural setting offer a glimpse into the lifestyle that has made Prince Edward Island one of Canada's most distinctive provinces. Thanks for watching!